Welcome back to the show. What a week. Holy heck, Batman. It's time for the weekend. Yesterday went great. We taught some high school kids the difference between stocks and bonds, the rule of 72, and why investing is the only way to beat inflation. It was a lot of fun. Last night we spoke at the Real World Medical Series for Wake Forest University. Finally, we had Brad on the StockTwits.tv show Talk Your Book. You'll find a link to it on our Twitter stream. Don't forget to vote. Go ahead and Twitter out that you like the video for MO Financial, and don't forget to mention StockTwits to get their attention so that your vote is counted. We took a fundamental and technical look at DirecTV, something we rarely do in public. Today, we can't help but point out the gap down in Joe's jeans, symbol JOEZ. The company has brought our attention earlier this week when we were asked about it. Down 14%, we just couldn't help but pull the trigger this morning at the open. We collected many hundred shares below $3, and we'll see where it takes us. In our fantastic interview with Patty Edwards, we asked her if she'd rather own Joe's jeans or American Apparel. She instantly said she'd rather be in Joe's any day of the week. So we added up everything we knew and took advantage of the gap down. It's hard to resist a stock that we like at a reduced price. Finally, we bought some banking index ETFs. It's getting hard to pick exactly who the winners are in this sector, but it's clear that the days of 0% interest rates will come to an end sometime before the year is over. At least, that's our thesis. Higher interest rates are a boon for bank earnings as it means that they can charge you more for car, home, and credit card loans. Hard to imagine credit cards with higher interest rates now, but they'll do it. We bought both KBE and KRE ETFs. The KBE is the bank index that gets talked about when the individual banks are compared to the sector. The KRE is the regional bank ETF. The sector has been on fire, and although we've owned Zion below $10 and have been quoted as looking for a $70 price target on Zion's Bancorp, we've realized the stock is up huge. So rather than add to the bank specifically, we'll just take the whole sector. India's been on our mind recently as well. We did a lunch at the market last week on PIN, that's the PowerShares India ETF. Rarely is India mentioned in nearly any venue, so when CNBC went trading the globe last night on Fast Money, we couldn't help but add to our PIN position, and we threw in a little Sterilite symbol SLT in there with it. To get more on PIN and SLT, just search YouTube by entering MO Financial and PIN or MO Financial and SLT, and you'll find the videos. Thanks again for joining us today on Lunch at the Market, and we'll see you next week. Hey, and don't forget to sell some calls on your long positions. The market can't go up forever, can it?